Well, here's the power supply board from the TenTec Titan 2, the model 416. These are new Rubicon electrolytic capacitors. These are rated for 5,000 hours of life, and they're 105 degree centigrade caps instead of 85 degree caps like came out of there. I did a bunch of research with the Newark website, and a lot of the electrolytic capacitors, especially ones with the American names on them, had a working life of 2,000 or maybe 3,000 hours. These had a 5,000 hour working life, and I bought these in preference to anything else I could get. The only other thing out there that was any better was something with a 12,000 hour life, but they had wire leads. They weren't printed circuit board type, and I wanted the stronger mounting that these afford. So I thought 5,000 hours is a whole lot better than 2,000 or 3,000. So that's what we used, and we did replace one diode here. It just had a little worse front to back ratio than all of the other diodes. So we bought a string of 10 new ones, and just because they're cheap, and we replaced that one. All the others are just fine. It would have worked the way it was, but I figured, why not just make it the best we can. Put a little note on here for when we replace these capacitors, so next time it needs to get done, I may not even be alive. It'll last another 20 years probably at least, but I won't. Be 97 years old, 20 years. So anyway, we'll put it back in the amplifier and put the amplifier here on the bench, put it back together, test it, and I think we'll be back in the TenTec legal limit amplifier business. I sure hope so. We're ready to put this thing back in the amplifier and test it and see what we get. So, I guess you get to watch me do that. It's not terribly exciting. Okay, I got that as tight as I can get with my fingers. So now I'm using the wrench on the fluted shaft of the screwdriver to tighten that screw just as tight as it should be. Good. No worries there. Okay, good. That should be really good. Okay. So there we have got my 240 volt plug working properly now. Turn this thing on and see what happens. That's not going to work. Okay, clip leads. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Okay. Still recording. Third try. Okay, interlock here is off. Interlock back there is jumpered. We forgot about the interlock in the back. Waited the 2.5 minutes, turned it to operate, and nothing happened because we forgot about the interlock in the back. One interlock controls a relay to prevent the plate transformer from being energized, and the other interlock is a crowbar that physically shorts out the B+. Right up there. The discharge of the capacitors. So they're trying like hell to keep you from doing what I'm doing, which is running the thing with the lid off, and they're trying to keep you from killing yourself, which is laudable in the extreme. So now we wait another 2.5 minutes for the filaments of the tube to warm up again before the timer will allow the B plus to be energized. Now, I'm hoping like hell that we see normal B plus, nothing trips off. We don't have any exploding capacitors or fireworks or any other damn thing. Okay, the wait light has gone out, the filament